Okay, everyone, sit straight. Close your eyes. Keep your hands on your heart. And repeat exactly with me. Use your name where I use my name. Okay? Say, dear Rucha, say your name. I take 100% responsibility of my emotion. I take 100% responsibility of all the situation of my life. I take 100% responsibility of my action. I'm sorry for feeling hurt. Please forgive me for this hurt. Thank you for this hurt emotion. It creates balance in me. It reminds me to love myself. I love this emotion because it is part of me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now focus on yourself and say, dear Rucha, I'm sorry. I have underestimated you so many times. Please forgive me for disconnecting from myself. So many times I leave you alone and I don't trust myself. Thank you, dear soul, for this beautiful life. Thank you, universe, for connecting me to myself. So many times I doubt myself. So many times I fear about life. So many times I disconnected from my roots, from my parents, from my families. So many times I don't even try to understand their emotions, their feelings, what they think, what they feel. I don't even notice that. I'm sorry for all those ignorance. And I love this life because all these emotions, all this behavior are mine only. Dear Rucha, it doesn't matter now who doesn't love you, but I love myself from now onwards. I love myself and I accept myself exactly the way I am. I accept all my emotions exactly the way it is. I love myself exactly the way I am. And just focus on your all behavior, all action, all the words you use for your parents, for yourself, for your family members. And just feel this energy and let it go, all the past memories, all those memories which are hurting you till now. And now Focus on your parents. Bring them into subconscious mind. See them as a smiling in front of you. Both your mother and your father, whatever you call, Ma, Papa, Daddy, whatever you call. Just bring them into your subconscious mind. And say, I'm sorry, dear mommy, papa. So many times I disrespect you. Please forgive me for not giving you enough time. Actually, not giving you quality time to both of you. I'm sorry for forgetting all your sacrifice for me. Please forgive me for not even asking you how you both are feeling when you both are alone. Sorry for seeing you both in parents' role only, and forget that you are also a human being. You also get hurt, feel lack of love, support, and never think about that, how you manage your emotional pain. You also get tired of so many things, and you never express yourself in front of us. I'm sorry for not giving you enough time, respect, and priorities. Please forgive me for all my misbehavior with both of you. And thank you for all your struggle, sacrifice, love, support, directly and indirectly. Thank you for giving me this beautiful life. And from now onwards, there is no hurt between us. I love you, dear mommy, papa, for giving me this beautiful life. Thank you for this beautiful life. Thank you for all your sacrifice, all your hard work, all your love, support, and care. Just feel this energy and allow yourself to heal any hurt you have with your parents. Keep close your eyes and remember faces of your parents, how your mother is smiling, how your father is smiling. Keep saying that, I'm sorry, mommy, papa, for all this misbehavior I have done with you. Please forgive me. Thank you for this beautiful life. And I love you. And I accept you the way you are. Now onwards, there is no any complaints, no any guilt, no any hurt. With that healing energy, allow yourself to drop all the records. Drop the records of feeling hurt. I drop all the complaints with my parents and I accept them the way they are. I drop all the reason of feeling hurt with my parents, and I accept them the way they are. I drop the feeling of hurt with my family members, and I accept them the way they are. I drop the feeling of hurt with my partner, and I accept them the way they are. I drop the feeling of hurt with my children, and I accept them the way they are. I drop the feeling of hurt at my workplace. I drop the feeling of hurt with myself, and I accept myself the way I am. I drop the expectation of attention, love, and priority from my parents, and now I give them attention, I give them love, I give them priority. I drop all my patterns for feeling hurt because of my parents. I drop all my past memories. Just drop everyone, whatever is hurting you. Keep remembering all of the reason because of which you are feeling hurt. Close your eyes and drop the rackets. And now imagine one white light energy from the universe coming to you, touching you from head all over your body, touching your skin, entering into your body, touching to your body cells, all organs, and healing you completely. All the hurts from your heart is released now. Universe is blessing you with love. You healed now, you free now. And after receiving this energy, you start spreading love with everybody. Why? Because you are now full of love. And now, what you will attract? Say to yourself, I attract what I have. I have love and I attract love. I focus on love and I attract love. But I also accept life duality of positive and negative. I'm ready to accept love and I'm ready to accept hurt. I create balance with my emotion. Now I have a control over my emotion because I can balance my emotion. With this energy, say loudly to yourself, it's okay to feel hurt. Why? Because when I feel hurt, it reminds me to love myself. When I feel hurt, it reminds me to connect with myself. When I feel hurt, it reminds me to focus on myself. And when I feel ignored, it reminds me to prioritize myself. It's okay to feel hurt because it's a reminder to love myself. It's okay to feel hurt because it's a reminder to love myself. Just feel this energy and go back to old version of you. Love yourself again. Pamper yourself again. Appreciate yourself again. And when you are full of love, you love yourself. You love your parents. You love your family. And you love all the people around you. And now imagine yourself as a completely new version of you. How you will respond to all those situations. Just evolve, evolve, evolve. Evolve as a new version of you. How you will talk, how you will behave, how you will think, and how you will take action in all those situations where you feel hurt. Or are you keep repeating the same old version of you? What is your answer, everybody? No, because I evolve with think, belief, and action. And this is my new version. And keep repeating, I am full of love. I am the source of love. I give love more. I receive love more. Sometimes I feel hurt, and sometimes I'm full of love. And that's create balance in me. Just feel this new version of you. Feel this energy. Keep close your eyes and imagine new version of you. How you will talk, think, behave, and act. Okay, everyone, with that, gently open your eyes. Rub your hand and take all this energy to your face and body. And tell me in one words, how are you feeling now?